Hello, my name is Nance and I do videos and vlogs about living and working in London. Thank you for stopping by and I hope you enjoy this kind of content. I recently discovered that we've got a local library just next to our park, so today I decided to come in and explore our library, and while I was doing that I decided to sign up to become a member and borrow a book. Usually my go-to kind of book is anything to do with self-help, and this year I have decided, or rather made a promise to myself, that I want to try 2 or 3 fiction books, and I am currently enjoying It Ends With Us. I think there's something about fiction where it takes you to a world, to a place far away from, everything that's happening around you. So I am really enjoying it. I think I will be exploring more of this kind of books. It's the following day and I'm going to do a quick shower before I start my day, and I'm also one of those people who can't really do much without a to-do list. So let's write down everything that we need to do for today. As you can see from the shop, we are currently transitioning from Halloween season to Christmas season, which is my favorite season ever. It doesn't help that it's also my birthday month during Christmas, so I am just so excited to see all the Christmas decorations coming up, and I cannot wait to soak myself into some Christmas vibes. Today I decided to go do some pumpkin picking at a farm that's close by. It was really lovely, it was fun, I really enjoyed, even though the weather was quite cold today, but it was really enjoyable. There were games as well, and there's a coffee shop inside, so that's fun.